The charge flowing in a conductor change with time as q equal to alpha t minus beta square plus gamma tq, where alpha, beta, gamma are constant. Minimum value of current is this, and this. What is the answer? This question is given in JEE Mains January 23. Now the charge which is changed with the time is given. Charge which change in time is given q equal to alpha t minus beta t square plus gamma tq. Differentiate with respect to t, then dq by dt equal to alpha into t minus beta 2t plus gamma into 3t square, then dq by dt equal to alpha minus 2 beta t plus 3 gamma t square. Here is the dq by dt also said to be the flow of current in the conductor I equal to alpha minus 2 beta t plus 3 gamma t square. For minimum current, for value of minimum current I equal to 0, then 0 equal to alpha minus 2 beta t plus 3 gamma t square. Sorry, for minimum value of current, again with differentiate with respect to t. Again differentiate with respect to t, then di by dt equal to, what is the alpha is a constant, so it is a 0, 2 beta t equal to 1 plus 3 gamma t square equal to 2t, then di by dt equal to minus 2 beta plus 6 gamma t. But in the conductor, the change of current with time for minimum value di by dt equal to 0, then 0 equal to minus 2 beta plus 6 gamma t, then 2 beta equal to 6 gamma t, then t equal to 2 beta by 6 gamma, which is beta by 3 gamma. Put the value of t in equation first. These are the equation first. Then I equal to alpha minus 2 beta t plus 3 gamma t square, alpha minus 2 beta, and the value of t is beta by 3 gamma plus 3 gamma, t is beta upon 3 gamma whole square, then alpha minus 2 beta square upon 3 gamma plus 3 gamma beta square upon 9 gamma square. Here 3 3 are 9 and gamma out cancel out, then I equal to alpha minus 2 beta square upon 3 gamma plus beta square upon 3 gamma. Minus 2 beta square plus beta square is alpha minus beta square of 3 gamma. These are the minimum current of I, which is, who is the correct answer? Alpha minus beta square by 3 gamma. Option number D is correct.